Hi guys, so I just finished my shift and now we're going to Surigao for the Holy Week. So it's gonna be 8 to 10 hours. We're gonna be tagging along kasi may sasakyan and then sasabay lang kami. So I think I can sleep there and then tomorrow may work pa ako. So let's just go and we're going to show you the way going there, yung mga highlights lang ng trip na to. So let's go! Face track on. You're the one that's face tracking. It's face tracking you.
Hello.
So we're ready. We're just waiting for the van. So my brother is picking us up, so we're just waiting for them. We're here na. Pwede mo na ito. Adi, basura na habis diha. Sa basurahan.
Pwede na rin yung hinok. Hindi ko raman sa kwan. Gusto mo rin doon yung
Kinagas.
Saturday, Alford. So Surigao na tayo for now. Sugod ron hantod sa Sabado, Surigao rin yun lang. At ano na lang ako si Xiao Surigao.
Man na yun.
Si Xiao na lang.
Asa din na may biling?
Adiling na ko dalhan stop po. Pwede ba magdalag kiring tabo?
Ba, sige. Sakit natin pag-awas. Dili na siya kantingon.
Dili. Nailish.
Pwede na may bilang kang manang.
Pwede.
Call, musta call? Ito yung sample.
Mana na yung USB?
Just.
Eya.
Oh, you play na lang games with the Kuya Sista.
I don't have.
No, the quiz. I just don't mind this.
What's 9 plus 10? Queer sister. What's 9 plus 10?
What's the answer?
21.
9 plus 10 is 21.
19.
No, it's 21.
It's 19.
21.
Whose head needs shaking?
Kuya sister, because his answer is 21. Why are you answering 21?
Because you said so. 21.
Because that's your age.
No, I'm 20. Not
No.
21.
It's your
21 na ba
birthday.
yan?
You're
28,
21
28.
now.
Next year, pang
On the
21.
B. What's 9 plus
Magdip mo
11?
21.
Debut.
Debut.
No! Wrong. It's 20.
Just.
Wala yung rice next. Sige.
Nay mong isda na yung order na
Maya. Ito ang isda.
Oo.
Manok o karne. Nanaw.
Kanang tuna belly adobo.
Hindi ko magpag isda kay sigurado man sa limor.
Hindi naman ko nag-meet, nag-charon.
Nag-order, nag-first class isda.
Magkuhan ko tuna belly adobo. Naa. Pwede?
Answer.
Tuna belly adobo.
Bali unang ka rice, miss no? Okay. With rice, gihapon na.
Tag-usa ka kaldero atong kuan. Itong rice. Joseph? Lipstick ko kate. Ako po nag-lipstick. So, tawagin is Hills View Trento. So, we're at Hills View Trento. Kuan, suman nga na ice cream. Kaya mo nagbinuang ang duha. Na, de, Jud. Show them. Show them gusto pututoy. Guys, you know what pututoy is? Naka-face track one siya. Nag-face track siya. So this is the pututoy. Oh. Putumaya with ice cream on top.
That is millions ago.
Kaziruha. Kaziruha.
No.